Magandang araw! Ituturo ko po ngayon kung paano gumawa ng crochet roses or crochet rose in 3D style. So, ang kaibahan nito sa mga una kong crochet flower tutorial is yung mga nauna, usually flat lang siya katulad nito. But this one is 3D, so ibang ibang style, ibang technique yung gagamitin natin. Pwede kang gumamit ng kung anong yarn ang gusto mo, hook na komportable ka as long as hindi siya ganun kalaki or kaliit compared sa gagamitin mo thickness ng yarn mo. Okay, so for this tutorial, gagamit ako ng Monaco 5 ply mercerized cotton thread. This is 5 ply. So, hindi siya yung manipis. Na color red. Meron akong pins para ma-secure ko yung form mamaya. Meron akong tapestry needle, very important. Hook. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo, but this is the usual hook that I use. 3.0 mm hook and a pair of scissors. So, let's start. I'll start by making a slip knot. From here, gagawa ko ng 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Bibilang ako from here ng 4 chains from my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll skip those 4 chains and on the 5th chain, gagawa ako ng isang double crochet. Dito. Isang double crochet. There. So, nakagawa na ako ng unang V form using double crochet. So from this chain, ng V stitch na una natin ginawa, I'll make 1 chain. And then, skip ko tong next chain dito. And on the next chain, gagawa ako ng isang double crochet. Chain 1. And isang double crochet ulit sa same stitch. Okay, so nakagawa na ako ng dalawang V shape using double crochets. Okay, now chain 1 ulit. I'll skip this next chain. And on the next, gagawa ako ng isang double crochet. Isa, chain 1, and isang double crochet sa same stitch. Chain 1 ulit. Skip next, and on the next chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip this stitch, on the next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Then chain 1, skip the next chain, and on the next, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Okay, so you will do this pattern until marating mo yung dulo ng chain na to. Okay, so chain 1, skip on the next chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And then chain 1, skip next chain, on the next chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip on the next chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Alright, now I'm here on the last stitch, 2 stitches. I'll skip this next, chain 1 muna ako. I'll skip this next stitch, and on the last chain, gagawa ko ng 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Okay. Now, let's see. Bilangin natin kung ilang V stitch or V shape yung nagawa natin using our pattern. So we have here the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, meron ka dapat 11 V shape na or V form na stitches using these patterns or using these double crochet posts. Okay, balik natin hook natin. Now, chain 1 and turn your work na yung wrong side is facing you. Okay. Now, dito sa V-shape, unang-unang V-shape natin, which is the last V-shape of the previous round, gagawa tayo ng tatlong double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And then, on the next space, yung chain 1 space in between V-shape, gawa lang ako ng isang single crochet. There. On the next V-shape, gagawa ako ng tatlong double crochet ulit. So, isa, dalawa, tatlo. On the next space, isang single crochet. And on the next space, tatlong double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And on the next space, chain 1 space, isang single crochet. So, meron akong tatlong sets, 1, 2, 3, dun sa V sets na may tatlo ring double crochet. Na nandito na ako sa pang-apat na V, and on this V, gagawa naman ako ng 4 double crochet. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the next chain 1 space, isang single crochet. On the next V shape, gagawa ako ng 4 ulit na double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the next chain 1 space, isang single crochet. So, let's see. Meron akong tatlong sets ng 3 double crochets each. 2 sets ng 4 double crochet each. Okay, for the next 3, 1, 2, 3 V shapes, I'll make 5 double crochet on each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet sa chain 1, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet sa next chain, and this is the last set ng 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet here. There, meron akong tatlong sets, 1, 2, 3 ng 5 double crochet each. Now, for the next 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, gagawa, V space, sorry, or V shape, gagawa ako ng tag 6 double crochet on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on chain 1 space, single crochet, and then here 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here sa chain 1 single crochet, and on the last V shape, I'll make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, meron akong, bilangin natin para ma-compare nyo rin sa gawa nyo. 1, 2, 3 sets of 3 double crochets each. 1, 2, 2 sets of 4 double crochets each. 1, 2, 3 sets of 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochet each. And last 3 sets is 1, 2, 3, sorry, 6 double crochets each. Balik natin yung hook natin. Okay. So, from here, magsi-slip stitch tayo anywhere from the top of this first 3 chains na ginawa natin. So, dito, yan. Slip stitch. And then, chain 1. And hilahin mo, okay, take note of this. Hilahin mo yung yarn mo enough para matahi mo later yung project mo at makapag-form ka ng rows. Okay, so, para hindi ka na mag-a-attach ng panibagong sinulid. Okay. So, itong dulo, kung saan tayo nag-slip knot, i-thread na natin. Kung hindi nyo pa nati-thread, i-thread na natin para diretso na tayo later sa attach ng mga V-shapes or ng mga shell stitches natin. Okay. Ayan. So, ito na yung nagawa natin from the V-shapes, the sets of double crochets na sa mga unang rows na ginawa natin. This time, i-thread mo yung dulo ng mahabang end ng thread mo. Ayan. Okay. So, this one, I want you to take note of this also. Para mag-form siya ng ganito or pabuka yung rows, look for the right side first. Okay, so, yung right side natin is ito. Ito yung wrong side. Okay. Yung right side is yun yung nasa outer part. So, paano mo i-roll? From yung unang-unang 3 double crochet sets. Kung yung wrong side should be facing you, from there, i-roll mo siya. When you are rolling it inwards, wrong side facing you, make sure na pantay yung ends na ito para madali mo siyang tahiin later. There. Okay. Now hold that form, and this is where your pins will come in handy. Para ma-hold niya yung form, lagyan mo ng pin. Make sure sa dulo, hindi ka matutusok. Okay na, pwede na tayo. Ready na tayong tahiin. Kunin mo yung needle mo, tapestry needle. And, yan, i-attach mo siya. Okay, this is by feel po. So, walang specific pattern kung paano mo siya i-attach sa isa't isa. You just need to make sure na hindi siya mag-a-untangle dun sa way ng pagtahi mo. Hindi ka matutusok ng tulo katulad ngayon natusok ako. Okay, alisin mo na yung pins. There. Okay, so while tinatahi ko siya, I'm also making sure na nasa tamang form pa or shape yung rose ko. So, medyo adjust ko siya ng konti. Yan. Hawakan ko siya dito. And from here, siguro tatahiin ko yung petals niya. And attach ko siya sa isa't isa. Yan. Okay. And from here, dito naman, pasok ko siya sa gitna. So, you can see na free style lang yung pagtahi ko sa kanya. Wala akong pattern talaga. Basta, I'll make sure lang na hindi siya bubuka. And yung form niya, yun yung form na gusto ko, which is the form of the 3D rose. So, kung gaano kahigpit, kung gaano ka-close or ka-open, it's really up to you. And it's sa pagtahi na gagamitin mo. Okay, there. Medyo naho-hold niya na yung form na gusto ko. Yan. Sis. Okay. So, okay na ako dito sa nagawa ko. Now, i-thread ko na lang yung needle. I-thread ko na lang yung sinulid. Hide ko na lang siya sa likod. There, tapos na. So, gawa kayo ng madami and enjoy while doing it, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell whenever you have the time. Thanks for watching. Bye!